What if I stay on the diagonal? G5? Oh, he blunders his queen. Okay. Check. Check. Mate. Yeah, that was easy. Next bot. Oh, what the? Coach Danny? No, Coach Danny. Giant. Okay, what's the premise of the giant bot? Okay, French. C4. I'm out of theory. Okay, that's nice. Defend the pawn. Knight here, and if he takes, we can take with the bishop, and he needs to take and we win the queen. Yeah, like I think let's just play for the win. Okay. But the bad thing is that this knight move actually doesn't threaten much. It's like it's just there. But okay, maybe he will take. But okay, he. What? I'm sorry. The bots are crazy. Do we sack here or here? I think here. Yeah, to preserve the pin. Yeah? Like we sack, he takes, we take, and now this pin is killing him on the inside. Just take this with this. Okay. That's checkmate, yeah? Yeah, that's checkmate. I don't want to open my king when the queens are on the board, so I think the better move would be to take with the queen. Yep. We don't have any checks, so recapture is obvious. Oh, I forgot about this pawn in the process, yeah? He threatens... Am I losing? I hate bots. Why am I losing? Okay, we need to go back with the bishop to protect against the fork. Oh, there's this fork as well. Like no 1000 plays like this. That's better than 1000. Bro. I can't defend. Yeah? Like what? I need to go like rook e2? So he takes it without the fork? Oh my god. And then I lose this. Bruh! That's just a free rook. What am I doing? I don't even know anymore. Don't ask. Just don't ask, please. If he takes, I just lose everything, yeah? So let's maybe go here. What is this bullshit? Like, that's just a free knight? What the fuck? Is this just a free knight? Yeah, I don't want to allow his his rook to the first file while my bishop is still there, but this move, like, I need to take the free knight. Okay, I take back, check. No, not even a check. I think we should develop the bishop while we can. This spot looks particularly impressive. Like, this pawn is weak, and did he just blunder? My mouse slipped. Fuck! But you saw that it was like extremely winning, and if he covered, then like just rook comes, like just pressure the pinned piece with everything you've got. Oh my god! Now we're back to like losing. I hate this game and this mouse already. Fuck! Okay, our rook is attacked. Let's go here. Fucking bullshit. We can take this pawn, we can take that pawn. I think let's take a pawn with check. Okay. Oh! Like, is this that tactic? And I can just take the knight, or maybe go in here? Oh my god. What is better? I think let's just take the free knight. This is just a regular ladder. What is he doing? I don't care about the pawn, yeah? If I care, I'm a coward, because I can just block him. This gun, and I can take the bishop. The next move. Oh, I'm sorry. The rook. The rook! You didn't see anything. Okay, I'm black. Yeah, I just wanted to play a game with the black pieces. Show you the carrow. Yeah, let's go. If he goes here, then what is this, man? Now we're threatening to promote. Okay, this just gives up everything, and we win. Whew. Fucking hell. Just doesn't give a shit. Oh my god, he just doesn't even take the bishop. Fuck. 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 Fuck! Okay, let's go here. Can I take this? What the fuck? I don't even understand what's happening, блядь. This fucking guy just threw the game, yeah? Oh fuck. Fuck! Don't tell me I get checkmated. What the fuck? Checkmate. How far have you reached? Let me know. I'll go cry.